I got hairy legs that turn that turn blonde in the sun. Blonde in the sun. My leg down, so it was straight, and then watch the hair. Rub my leg down, so it was straight, and then watch the hair. So it was straight, and then watch the hair.
That I have to beat him. Is it? I have to beat him.
And he ran a bunch of bad boys. And Corn Pop was a bad dude. And he ran a bunch of bad boys. Things have changed. And I did. And back in those days, he shot. And I learned that area. And I was one of the guard. And Corn Pop was a bad dude.
Alrighty then.
One of the guard. And Corn Pop was a bad dude.
You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lloyd. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. Lloyd, Lloyd. Guys.
First sticker I saw. I came down here because I remember the first bumper sticker I saw. One of the things you had to use, if you used pomade in your hair, you had to wear a bathing cap.
Silver, away! Honk, 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 honk. Hey ho, Silver, away!